Hi there! Welcome back again to Mrs. Mice's Math Virtual Classroom. So this time we will discuss about the equal and equivalent sets and subset of a set. So compare these sets of candies. So you have set A, mint, chocolate, lemon. Set B, mint, strawberry, lemon. Set C is lemon, chocolate, mint. So, let us compare sets A and C. Look at their elements. Okay. So, they have exactly the same elements. And these are mint, chocolate, and lemon. So, we can say that they are equal set. So, set A is equal to set C. So, this will be the symbol for equal set. Next. So, take a look on set A and set B. So, look at their elements. Okay. So, set A is different from set B because of these elements. Set A has chocolate, while set B has strawberry. But they have the same number of elements. So, mint, chocolate, lemon. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 elements for set A. And we also have 3 elements for set B. So, if they have the same number of elements, but they don't have the same element or elements, so they are equivalent set. So, in symbol, so set A is equivalent. So, this is the symbol for equivalent. So, equivalent to set B. This is how you read it. So, set A is equivalent to set B. Next. So, let us compare A and C. So, again, so they are equal set. So, since they are equal, they have the same number of elements. Therefore, set A and C are also equivalent set. So, meaning, all equal sets are equivalent set. But not all equivalent set, just like A and B, not all equivalent are equal. Next. So, set B and C. So, they also have the same number of elements. So, 3 elements, so they are equivalent sets. So, set B is equivalent to set C. So, again, so types of set. So, 2 sets that contain exactly the same elements are said to be equal set. So, if we are given set A is A-E-I-O-U and set B is E-O-I-U-A, so you just change the order of the elements. So, then we say that set A, so set A is equal to set B. So, these 2 sets contain exactly the same elements and therefore are equal. Next. So, 2 elements that contain exactly the same number of elements. So, again, we are just talking about the number of elements. So, they are equivalent sets. So, example, set C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set D is M-A-T-H. Set C has 4 elements. Set D has also 4 elements. So, we say that set C is equivalent to set D. So, in symbol, set C is equivalent to set B. So, both sets contain 4 elements. Hence, they are equivalent. So, state whether the sets are equal or equivalent. Number 1. So, K is 5, 6. Then, and L is 6, 5. So, they have exactly the same elements. So, they are equal set. Number 2. Set M, red, blue, and green. Set N is green, blue, red. So, they have exactly the same, so they are equal set. Number 3. So, set O is 2, 4, and set P is 3, 8. So they have different elements, but the number of elements are the same. So 2 elements for set O, 2 elements for set P. So they are equivalent set. Number 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And even counting numbers less than 10. So even counting. So meaning 0 is not included. So we will start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they have the same elements, exactly the same elements, so they are equal set. Days of the week, so we have 7 days. So 7 is the cardinality. And letters of the word honesty, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have the same number of elements or the same cardinality, so they are equivalent set. Okay, so next is subset. So set A is a subset of set B. So in symbol, A is a subset of B if and only if every element in set A is also an element in set B. So example, set A is 2, 4, 5. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each element of set A is in set B. So that is why A is a subset of B. Next. So there are 2 types of subset. So it is proper subset and improper subset. Set A is a proper subset of B. Written as, so this is the symbol for proper subset. So A is a proper subset of B if and only if every element in A is also in B and there exists at least one element in set B that is not in A. So example, set A is 2, 4, 5 is a proper subset of B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because there are elements in B that is not in set A. So meaning set B has more elements than set A. Okay, set A is 1, 2, 3, proper subset of B, 1, 2, 3, 4 because of element 4 is not in the first set. Or set A is lesser. So 1, 2, 3, then it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a proper subset. Next, set A is an improper subset of B, written as, so this is the symbol for improper subset. So it is the same as subset. If and only if all the elements of set A are also elements in B or simply they are equal set. So example, set A is 1, 2, 3 is an improper subset of set B, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, they are equal set. So set A is an improper subset of set B. Okay, so given set A is banana, chocolate, and vanilla. Or set A is banana, chocolate, vanilla. So the elements are, so when we write elements, so there is no braces. The elements are banana, chocolate, vanilla. So we will write the proper subset. So when we say proper, it is lesser number of elements. So proper subset, so with containing no element or empty set. So empty set is a proper subset of set A. Or we can also say that empty set is a proper subset of all set. So proper subset. Next. So we'll start with 0 element or no element. Then containing one element. So one element, so subset. It has braces. So banana, chocolate, vanilla. So with one element. Next is with 2 elements. So 2 elements at a time. So banana, chocolate, banana, vanilla. Then last is chocolate, vanilla. So it has 2 elements. So it is proper subset because the given has 3 elements. Next. So after, 0 element, 1 element, 2 elements, then last is with 3 elements. So it is banana, chocolate, vanilla. So they are equal set. So it is the improper subset. So these elements contains exactly the same as set A. So it is improper subset. Okay, so these are the proper subsets and improper subset. So let us count all the subsets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 subsets of this set A, with 3 elements. So if you write down from 0 element up to the 1 with 3 elements. So what if the given has 10 elements? So will you write all the subset to identify the number of subset? So you don't need to write down all. So you just have to use the formula. Number of subsets is 2 raised to n, wherein n is the number of elements. So with this, 2, then the number of elements, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 elements, so it will become 2 raised to 3. So meaning, you will use 2 3 times as a factor. So what is 2 times 2 times 2? So 2 times 2, 4. Then 4 times 2, so 8. So there are 8 subsets. So classify each statement as true or false. So let A be BLUE. So the elements of A is BLUE. So number 1, B is an element of set A. So is it a member of set A? So it is true. Next, number 2. So B, so it is for subset. So is a subset of A. So it is, or improper subset, so it is false. Because improper subset, so it must have the same number of elements, or they are equal set. Number 3, so E is a proper subset of A. So the answer is true. So it has lesser number. Number 4, BLUE is proper subset of A. So it is false. The answer must be improper subset. It must be improper. Number 5, empty set is a proper subset of A. So it is true. Number 6, UB, proper subset of A. So it is true. It is lesser. Then every element is in set A. So it is a proper subset. Number 7, so E, but with braces, so it is it an element of set A? So the answer is false. Because in elements, so there are no braces. Number 8, so null set is a proper subset of A. So the answer is true. Okay, that will be all, and thank you.